Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration VLAN hobby attacks prevention, plus non-negotiate, plus disable CDB on a switch. So, if we check in our PDF word VLAN hobby attacks, prevent VLAN hobby attacks where regular devices can gain unauthorized access to the other VLANs. Measures include enable 802 tracking on ports to operate access made mute by default. Configure ports to use a specific VLAN instead of allowing VLAN negotiation. Disable dynamic trunking protocol to prevent ports from becoming trunk unexpectedly. Non-negotiate DTP configures a switch port to operate in access mode and prevent it from becoming a trunk port. Eliminates the possibility of the port becoming a trunk, reducing the risk of VLAN hopping attacks. Disabling discovery protocol prevent an attacker from gathering information about the network topology and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Okay, if we check its advantages, insurance ports operate in access mode by default, reducing the risk of unauthorized VLAN access. Prevent ports from becoming trunks unexpectedly, which could be exploited for VLAN hopping. Okay, non-negotiate DTP explicitly configures the port to operate in access mode, eliminating the possibility of the port becoming a trunk. Reduces the attack surface and preventing VLAN hopping attacks. CDB prevents an attacker from gathering information about the network topology. Enhances the overall security of the network by reducing the availability attack surface. These measures work together to create a more secure network environment by preventing VLAN hopping attacks, ensuring both operate in the desired mode and reducing the information an attacker can gather about the network. If we return in our topology to make in our configuration, we will take in these following steps. In our first step, as we will assign VLANs and native VLANs for all the switch. And our next step, assigning access port in non-negotiate, trunking native VLANs non-negotiate, and no CDB run all the switch. So in our first step, we will make assigning VLANs all the switches. So come this switch, exit VLAN 10, name finance VLAN 77, name native. Come this another switch, VLAN 20. So enable config VLAN 20, name HR, exit VLAN 77, name native. Come this another switch, enable config VLAN 30, name guest, exit VLAN 77, name native. Now we assign all the switches with the VLANs. In our next step is we will make starting from FS05 to FS24 plus gigabyte 1 to 2, we will assign access except FS01, FS02, and FS03 and FS04, we will make a trunking plus native VLAN plus non-negotiate. So come this switch, okay, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 5 to 24 plus gigabyte 0, 1 to 2 switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 10. Switchboard non-negotiate. So come third switch, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 5 to 24 plus gigabyte 0, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN, switchboard access VLAN 20, switchboard non-negotiate. Do right. Come third switch, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 5 to 24 plus gigabyte 0, 1 to 2 switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 30, switchboard non-negotiate. Do right. Now we finish in our first step for assigning our next step for assigning access port plus non-negotiate. In our third step or in our next step, we will make a trunking all these ports between the switches. So let me check the ports that we are going to make a configuration for trunking. FS01, FS02, FS03, and FS04. We will make a trunking. So come this switch, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 1 to 4. Switchboard mode trunk. Switchboard trunk plus native VLAN 77. Switchboard non-negotiate. Do right. Now we finish switch 1 trunking. So come this another switch, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 1 to 4. Switchboard mode trunk. Switchboard trunk native VLAN 77. Switchboard non-negotiate. Do right. Okay. No, okay. Come this last switch and we will make a same configuration. Exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 1 to 4. Switchboard mode trunk. Switchboard trunk native VLAN 77. Switchboard non-negotiate and do right. So now we finish trunking plus native VLAN plus non-negotiate and we will save in our configuration. So every time you make a your configuration, you have to save your configuration and you will write a do right. So what's the next step? In our last step is no CDB run in all the switches. So come this switch, no cdb run and do right. Come this third switch, no cdb run and do right. And come third switch, no cdb run. Now we finish for configuration. Vlan hoping attack is prevention plus non-negotiate plus disable cdb on switch. So thank you very much and we will see you in the next class.